Hey there! Want to make real money online without showing your face? Fiverr is one of the easiest platforms for beginners to start a faceless side, hustle and earn from home. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step process on how to start, get clients, and make money online on Fiverr. No scams, no hype. Step 1. Sign up and create your profile. First things first, go to Fiverr. And create a free account. There's no payment required up front. Fiverr only takes 20% of what you earn, so you keep most of your money. When setting up your profile, make sure to use a clear username. Upload a professional avatar or logo. It doesn't need to show your face. Write a bio that explains your skill and value. Step 2. Choose a profitable service or gig. On Fiverr, services are called gigs. Pick one skill to start. Don't overwhelm yourself with too many options. Some popular faceless gigs for beginners include logo or graphic design, voiceover work, writing blog posts or scripts, video editing, social media management, AI content generation. Start small. For example, you could create a gig, like I will create 5 social media graphics for $10. Step 3. Set your prices strategically. Many beginners make the mistake of overpricing or underpricing. Here's what works. Start low, like 5 to 20 for simple gigs. Deliver excellent quality to get 5-star reviews. After 5 to 10 completed orders, raise your prices gradually. This helps you build credibility while earning consistently. Step 4. Create your gig. Fiverr allows you to add images, videos, and PDFs to your gig. Even if you don't show your face, you can make your gig professional and appealing. Use animated samples, stock graphics, text overlays to explain your service clearly. Also include a FAQ section to answer questions before clients even ask. This builds trust and saves you time. Step 5. Get your first client. Getting your first client can feel challenging, but here's how to do it. Apply to Fiverr buyer requests. Message politely and offer value. Deliver high-quality work fast. Example message. Remember, the first 5 clients are the hardest, but each review builds credibility and opens the door for future orders. Step 6. Scale your Fiverr business. Once you have reviews, it's time to scale. Raise your prices gradually. Offer extra services like faster delivery or bonus content. Expand into related gigs. Many top Fiverr sellers earn hundreds or even thousands of dollars per month, all faceless and remotely. Tip: avoid common mistakes. Avoid these mistakes. Don't promise unrealistic results. Don't spam clients. Don't copy other gigs. Focus on real value, consistent communication, and excellent work. And that's it. Sign up, choose a skill, create your gig, get clients, and scale your side hustle. Subscribe for more faceless online income tips and comment below which Fiverr gig you're going to start first. I'd love to hear your choice.